Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're gonna go probably clean the bike a little bit, man. The bike needs a bit of a cleaning. But before that, I obviously gotta fuel up. My dumbass. I obviously gotta fuel up a little bit. Okay. The weather, update on the weather, still a bit ass. Not gonna lie. But it's getting better. And next week we're hoping to get some new tires, the Michelin Road 6, which I'm excited for because I'm going to try them for the first time, so I'm very much excited. But yeah, so we're gonna go get the bike cleaned up. Oh my god, don't you just love looking yourself in the reflection? God, we're such narcissists. Anyways. So what we're gonna do today is, like I said, clean the bike, but we might also go and do some twisty riding a little bit too, you know. The weather is looking grey still, but yeah, I think a bit of twisty riding. I actually want to go down a quite famous road where they usually have the mountain race happening, and it's happening next month, so I want to go ride there a little bit, and then we'll go get the bike cleaned up. So yeah, catch you guys when I'm around that area, because this area here is kind of boring, so whoop whoop. And another thing I wanted to note is that I did turn off image stabilization, or image stabilization boost. I turned it off for now, and you guys just let me know how it looks. It might be a bit more wobbly. I might be like a bobblehead now, just kind of bouncing around everywhere. But the reason I turned it off is because it gives a wider field of view, and it also kind of relates the speed a bit better than when it's too smooth. But yeah, you guys let me know how you feel about it. The first video was obviously with stabilization on, and this one is going to be without it. So you guys let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. But still, we can have a little bit of fun today. Break. Yeah, that's one tip I can give you guys as beginners. Learn to be comfortable using your brakes. I think that's one of the most important things you should focus on when getting comfortable on the bike, you know, because, you know, you're getting comfortable on your throttle, you're getting comfortable maybe with body position, but then you're uncomfortable with your brakes, you know. That's just like a recipe for the disaster, you know. Like, okay, you're getting comfortable with your throttle, but you're not even comfortable with your brakes. Like, something doesn't add up, you know. But yeah, like I said, I hope the weather honestly gets better, because it's just been really annoying. And always these wet patches and dry patches, it's starting to bother me a little bit, you know. Like this, for example. It's annoying as fuck. Hi cows. There's so many new baby cows. It's great. Please don't go into my lane. Thank you. Ooh. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I can't complain. Weather is still fine. Wow, it's gorgeous. It is pretty. I love going to get my bike cleaned, because the road towards there is so nice. Well, I could either go like the normal way and not go twisties, but that's just not fun, you know. Like, what is the point of that? I'd rather go twisties and really get to enjoy some riding, you know. We made it to the town where the twisty road is. Now we just gotta hope it's not wet. If it's not wet, I can have some fun. But if it is wet, then I don't even want to go ride it, to be honest, because it's just not fun. This road is getting made right now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, look at that view. This is like a famous restaurant. A lot of people just come in to just ride and eat. It's great. All right, let's see how well it rides. It seems dry, so it doesn't seem too bad. But usually we go uphill and not downhill, so I'm actually going to turn around after this because I have to go that way anyways for my bike to get washed. So, but no, yeah, road seems fine. I'm really pushing these tires though, but it's fine. I'm getting new ones on Wednesday, so it's fine. It's not too bad. Like I was trying to save them, but since I'm getting new ones on Wednesday, I don't really care anymore. Just gotta be a bit safe. Look at this sign, by the way, guys. Look at this sign. 40, 80, and then nice. Very nice. So yeah, there's a race happening here. It's a famous mountain race here. Hi, cows. Oh no, it is a bit dirty. Shit. Yeah, it's dirty. There's poop. There's fucking poop on the road. No. No. Oh well. I mean, it's not too bad. Oh, okay, well, that looks bad. Oh, that looks bad too. Fucking hell, bro. There's poop everywhere. No, I was really gonna enjoy riding up here, man. Now we're gonna take it a bit easy. And it's wet as well. Just like your girlfriend's. But yeah, that sucks. Oh well. We'll fucking turn back around and just take it easy. Don't want to go too crazy here. Don't want to risk it. Don't want to risk the biscuit. So I think the race starts from somewhere over here, or maybe it's already behind us. But yeah, we're gonna turn around here. See if we can turn around smoothly. Oh no, I can turn around here. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Whoop! All right, let's go. Let's do the Bergrennen. Bergrennen time. Gotta be careful though of the poop. Oh, it starts from right here. Yeah, okay, I just saw, but oh my god. I hope this poo doesn't fuck me over. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Brake, 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 brake. But yeah, beginners, please learn to use your brakes. Or riders that just are not comfortable. If you're not braking... Oh, hi kitty cat. It's fine. I'm not gonna murder you. Not today at least. But yeah, if you're not braking through corners, then are you even really riding at your full potential, you know? Braking, 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 still braking, and now I'm like letting go. And trying to keep a maintenance throttle through these twisties. But yeah, this road is so much fun to ride just because it's got so many twisty sections. And it's just nice to see all the professionals ride here as well, you know. What am I in third gear? Oh, that wasn't too bad actually. I actually enjoyed that. Even though there's poop on the road. That was kind of fun. But yeah, you guys still let me know how the recording looks with the image stabilization off, you know. Some people might like it, some people might not. But I just need to know in advance. Oh, there's so many of these fucking sewage system lids. I don't even know how to call them, but you kind of always want to avoid those ones because they're always slippery, especially in the rain. Try and avoid them, like these things, avoid them in the rain for sure. You don't want to be riding over those when it's pissing. Same with like paint, to be honest. You kind of want to avoid the painted lines because it's just not nice to ride on. Oh yeah, this is I fucking love this road too, to be honest. What a day. What a day. What a fucking day. You dirty, dirty little slut. Sorry. Get your shit together, Jeremy, honestly. Go breakage. Alright, but we made it town to Wattwil now. So we'll go get the bike cleaned up a little bit now. Get that bitch cleaned up. What is going on? What is going on here? We got kitties everywhere, man. We got kitties everywhere. Everyone's going back to school. Meanwhile, I'm over here riding on a... What is it today? Friday? I think today is Friday, right? Friday. But yeah, we made it down to the town. It's just a small town, actually, but it's nice. But it's more of a city. No, town, actually. Definitely a town, not a city. But yeah, the washing place, it's just a really good one, so I always go there. Hello. So we're gonna go clean up that bike and then probably end the video there, because I'll just be riding back home the normal way without the twisty section, just because I want to preserve the cleanliness of the bike, you know. So I don't want to get it too dirty, because it's still wet, you know, so it's still a bit muddy on the road, and I don't want to do that then. Let's go clean up that bike. The bike is full of semen right now. We just got some jetons. So yeah, we're gonna let it soak up a little bit. Let broski soak up all that cream for a little bit. Shit. Alright, let's go freaking soak this bitch for a little bit. Alright, motherfucker. Come on. There you go. Does anyone else just love the smell of clean bikes? Because it just smells so good. I don't know what they put in their water, but it always smells so nice. Like, oh, I just want to kiss you right now, bro. I just want to kiss you right now, dude. Is this guy waiting? I think this guy's waiting, so I'm gonna have to dip on out of here. This place can be a bit slippery though, so gotta be a bit careful when I drag this bitch out of here, because it can be very slippery at times, and I don't want it. I don't want to die, do I? Okay, I got everything. Nice. Ooh. I'm gonna be heading home, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.